Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert watermark to a PDF file using PDF element. Open your PDF file and select edit option. Now you will find this watermark option. Click here and select an add watermark. There are two kinds of watermark. This one image watermark or logo you can upload here, and this one text watermark. And click this rectangle or box and type your watermark name. Tab. And you can add this proportion of page. You can increase decrease percentage, and your watermark will increase. And see this, and you make it 40 and see this. Also you can uncheck and custom you can increase this watermark size. See this, I'll use proportion of this page. And this is watermark position. Also make this bold. You can see this watermark position and see this and center. I'll put this center. Also you can add tile watermark. See this, and here you can see the watermark line space between. And see this, I will not use tile watermark. And this is watermark rotation degree. You can make it 0, -40, and also you can use custom degree. And see this 90. I'll make it -45. And this watermark opacity you can change. See this. Now you can put your watermark behind this text or in front of this page. And finally you will find this custom page range. You can add only single page or specific page range. I will add all page and simply select apply. And see this, our watermark now apply all of these pages. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.